Welcome back. Colette here of Penny Slate Designs, and today we have new developments and new products. So I'm so excited to share this with you. Stay tuned. So what I'm so excited to share with you is that Penny Slate Designs kits are now coming beautifully laser cut and pre-fused. The only tracing that you're going to have to do will be the decorative stitching lines, if any, and your placement lines. So when you get your kit, you're going to have your nice piece already cut and ready to go. The way you'll trace your pattern piece down is this special secret paper that I've come up with. You're going to take your laser cut piece and lay it face down on your tracing paper, and then get this awesome special paper, and you're going to lay it right on top and line it up like so. Beautifully easy. And then you're just going to trace your lines. Okay, so the tracing is now done, and you can see how all the decorative stitching lines have been easily traced, and that's all you have to do. So this was a decorative, the shell has a lot of stitching in it, but most of these other parts only have the placement lines. Okay, so all your pieces have been traced, and now, as in all Penny Slate Designs, you're going to assemble them in number order on the guide. What I suggest is score the back with a dull scissors. Sometimes if you try to peel from the edge, it can get a little cumbersome, so I suggest you just score and peel and place. So the fun way to fuse applique just got so much easier. So if you enjoyed this video and you enjoy my patterns, please subscribe below and tell your friends to subscribe so I can continue to bring you beautiful designs that are easy and a lot of fun to do. Bye for now.